Here's the app called Dropkickd, social app for wrestling fans. It doesn't have that many reviews yet. So yeah, the premium social platform tailored for wrestling fans, whether you're a long-time fan or new to the scene. Dropkickd offers space to rate, review, and create lists of events and matches from top promotions. Let's just open it up. And then you can see kind of the upcoming events. You can also continue without an account. And yes, this is legit event for wrestle fans. You can also then just search matches, browsing matches lists, and then you can see your profile. So yeah, quite a niche app. It's like only 12,000 users, but explore trending events, see what's getting the most love, and find hidden gems from decades of wrestling history. Follow other fans to see what they're up to, join discussions, and become part of a community that celebrates the art of professional wrestling. So that's what it is.